Of all the places to set up base camp, the site of an active volcano sounds like a bad idea. These Indonesian climbers would beg to differ. They're here for the thrill, and they got what they paid for on the morning of May 11th of 2018, when Mount Merapi in central Java blew its lid during breakfast.
Masih kolumangan lagi. Erupsi. Ya Allah.
Waduh. Astagfirullahaladzim. Astagfirullahaladzim. Berlindung sini. Astagfirullahaladzim.
The group hurried to evacuate the area as a massive smoke plume rose into the air. Imagine turning around only to see this monstrosity looming over your head.
Di depan mata, tanggal 11 Mei.
Mount Merapi is the most active volcano in Indonesia. It also rests in one of the country's most densely populated areas, meaning a large-scale eruption can spell catastrophe for those below. Thankfully, this 2018 eruption lasted only 5 minutes, with most of the volcanic ash drifting toward the Indian Ocean. About 9,000 people living within a few miles of the volcano were evacuated safely, but returned home shortly after things calmed down.